National Park, Punta Maria Rest Camp, and this is the Arc Pro Ultra. So you've got a side USB port to charge, you've got a laser beam, you've got a spotlight, you've got a flood beam, and a UV light. And what makes this remarkable is you can switch the laser on together with any of these beams to point out maybe an animal or something that you want to show. So let's use the UV light. There's flood beam. You want to see, hey, look at this bush. You can switch it off or on, and then you've got the spotlight. Hey, look at this tree. Or you can switch the laser off together with this, and then you've just got the spot beam. So you can charge this with Type-C or even with the magnetic charging system from Olight. Only available at Torch SA.